You were 100 kilos and then you suddenly dropped 40 kilos. Tell us what prompted you to start that journey of losing 40 kilos.
In fact, I didn't lose it once. I lost 40 kg twice. There are two things. One is a disease and one is a disorder.
Right.
एक disease जो होती है उसका क्योर है. अब आ गए हमारे disorders. You can't call yourself मेरी बीमारी खत्म हो गई. It's a disorder. वो रहने ही वाला है आपके साथ. अगर सोया खाने से थायराइड होता तो जापान should have been the thyroid capital. Why are they so healthy?
Correct. Live to be 100.
Exactly. It has the most aging population today, which the government doesn't know what to do about. Their problem is कुछ ज्यादा ही जी रहे हैं.
कि आज के टाइम में हर कोई बात करता है कि हमें डायबिटीज हो गई है, हमें शुगर हो गई, और लोगों को ये लगता है कि शुगर खाने की वजह से होती है. तो इज दैट ट्रू? इज शुगर और प्री डायबिटिक हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ शुगर कंजम्पशन, या कैसे होती है?
In India, 10 lakh people become diabetics. Because of that value by our drug corporations, by our institutions change. Are we training the child to understand hunger? You fed that child, and then सबसे बड़ा केस तो यही है, पनीर टिक्का ऑर्डर करते हैं, पता है?
Yeah.
Thinking it's healthy, I'm doing protein and this and that. That one portion of paneer tikka with those 6 pieces is 1000 calories.
1000 calories. Hi Khyati, welcome to the show. It has been a complete pleasure. You are quite a celebrity on Instagram, and I've seen so many of interviews.
Sach mein?
Yeah, I have. So many media channels keep covering you because you have touched so many lives. So why I'm honored today is because through your journey of 18 years, you have touched over 50,000 lives with their physical transformation. So welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. It's not just physical, it's also mental, no, Nishant? I mean, just imagine a fat person, unhealthy person, sick person, and then imagine a person whose values at laboratory levels are great, who's feeling better, who is more energetic, who's able to get up in the morning and make sure that yaar mujhe kuch dukh nahi raha hai. Just mentally, it's amazing, right?
Correct. They say that a journey of 1,000 steps begins with the first step. तो आपने 50,000 लोगों की लाइफ तो चेंज करी, but it started by changing your own life first. You were 100 kilos and then you suddenly dropped 40 kilos and you came down to 60. Take us through that journey and tell us what prompted you to start that journey of losing 40 kilos.
In fact, I didn't lose it once. I lost 40 kg twice.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Let's go back to being, why was I a nutritionist?
Okay.
Great inventions happen by accident. मेरे साथ भी वही हुआ. What happened was, I was always, as a kid, I used to dissect my dolls.
Okay.
I wanted to be a surgeon.
Okay.
So doll सस्ती वाली ही लानी है इसके लिए, ये महंगी वाली doll, Barbies were a no for me. Okay. So throughout life, I wanted to be a doctor. तो हमारे टाइम पे ना CET जो अब NEET है,
right.
CET पहली बार आई.
Okay.
And I don't know, I probably didn't do that well. So I was getting admission in Dharwad, Dhule. And तब ना ये WhatsApp, ये video calling, अपने बच्चों को बाहर भेजना पढ़ाई करने, it wasn't a norm. My dad was just not ready to send me there for MBBS. And see, we didn't have the concept of paid seats. To ask Papa for 5 lakh rupees is insane, right?
And this was which year?
This was about 1999 से लेके 2000.
Right.
Those years.
Correct.
And then the next 4 years were undergrads.
Right.
So still यार, come on, back then कौन भेजता था?
Correct.
ये BlackBerry भी नहीं आया था. You know वो blue phone Nokia का, where you could barely send an SMS and it would charge $3.
Yeah.
You were answerable to your parents, right?
Correct.
कहाँ चले गए ये पैसे?
Correct.
So वो time था ये. And मैंने कहा चलो, मम्मा सेड अप्लाई नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन CET पे, तो ये एक साल टाइम पास के लिए क्या करें? सो देयर वाज वन ऑप्शन वेयर आई कुड डू अ BSc, एंड वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स सेड तुझे खाना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ना, न्यूट्रिशन करके एक कोर्स है देख. सो आई वेंट इनटू SVT, which is a bigger branch of SNGT University, and I went there and I just said fine, कोर्स पढ़ लिया, क्या था ऐसे, चलो एक साल काटना है टाइम पास. Nishant, in 2 months I fell in love with the course. I forgot that I had dreams of becoming a doctor. Microbio tha, physiology tha, all the subjects, anatomy tha. I was actually learning, and my specialization was clinical nutrition. So I really excelled. पता ही नहीं, अब डॉक्टर बनने का कैलिबर था तो डाइटिशियन तो ढंग की बनी जाऊंगी. Then I started getting internships. I started getting recognition from college. I was writing papers. and it just happened that it flourished. And
Hmm.
all this while I was always a plump child.
Hmm.
I was not fat, but
Hmm.
I was plump, 69 70.
Hmm.
अब गुजराती में वो plump कहते हैं, okay, fat नहीं बोलते उसे.
Correct.
So I didn't realize post graduation मिला. I did it again in clinical dietetics. After that, I got a job at Leelavati Hospital as a dietitian. Beginner, first, fresher. Within a month, they made me the chief.
Oh wow.
Okay, and then I didn't realize कब weight 72, 75, कब 78, कब 80. Lab coat पहन के you can show off. Okay.
Right.
And I was very happy. But then I got married and I decided that, see, something started going wrong with my periods. That's when I said, okay, एक बार गायना को मिलाते हैं. She just gave me a battery of tests and then the word called PCOS hit me. यार वो PCOS जब सुना तो I remembered it as, हाँ ये second year में ना एक पेज का chapter था, which I omitted because exam में नहीं आने वाला है. Oops. Now going back, studying all that, and at 25 I was told you will never be able to conceive.
Correct.
Yeah, and then अगर एक ही तरीका है वो है IVF.
Right.
And I had seen IVF moms in the hospital. I had seen what they go through. I had seen, and I was devastated. कि एक तो मैं nutritionist. What am I acting smart? That's, I think, when I became a real nutritionist. I started doing things for myself because luckily Dr. Kiran Koilo told me that you should try lifestyle changes. You should try eating healthy, lose weight. You never know. And actually that happened. I lost weight, तब बड़ी strict diet थी. I pushed off 80-20 kilos. Within 3 months, I conceived naturally.
Wow.
I gained
In 3 months.
Yeah, and I gained 32 kilos over the
Wow.
pregnancy. The biggest risk was the delivery. So it was a C-section. Yeah, delivery के बाद, after Trishu's out of me, I was 108.
Wow.
So that also was a journey which I think made me and made the program and made balanced nutrition.
Wow.
There is where I realized क्या changes चाहिए, क्या नहीं चाहिए,
Wow.
and so on and so forth.
What an incredible journey. I think setbacks or failures or such kind of blows of your life is what makes you really deep dive and then brings the best out of you, right? I think that's exactly what happened to you. But okay, let's move from your journey and how it changed your particular life. Through again and again you've been through transformation. So then, how did you switch from being a person who was working for a different organization, then starting balanced nutrition and then helping people out outside of your work?
Yes. I think mothers who are watching this show will understand, once you have a baby after being told a lot of negative stuff, you know that pregnancy and the baby becomes a precious pregnancy and a precious baby. So I went through a phase ना वो मुझसे छूट नहीं रही थी, and so much so that I was not letting anybody else develop relationships with her, which was very harmful. मतलब कोई touch करे तो जाओ Dettol, कोई touch करे तो don't do this. She's sleeping. I had made everybody hate me and my daughter. And then my husband and my mother said, that's not you. You work for 18 hours. ये वही frustration निकल रही है. So still I was not ready to leave a 4-month-old child and go. तो मैं ना Facebook करने लगी कि चलो कुछ ज्ञान. Let me talk to some people. I didn't want to get out. I started joining these mother groups.
This was which year?
This was when Trisha was few months old, so 2009.
Okay.
So I was just getting on, and ज्ञान देना तो अच्छा ही लगता था. So now mothers used to ask me, what are you doing? How are you losing weight? They used to ask me about diet during breastfeeding. They used to ask me about lot of questions related to post-pregnancy weight loss, thyroid, and I kept answering them in the group. One fine day, I get a WhatsApp that, I shared the WhatsApp on Facebook chat, and she was from Singapore and Indian, and she said, Khyati, I need to lose weight post-pregnancy and I need guidance, but I won't do it for free. I had no clue Singapore से पैसा कैसे आएगा, मैं क्या करूंगी. Vishal helped me a lot to understand there is something called NEFT. बेटा वो होता है. International transfers होते हैं. Then he was the one to say, why don't you make a website? Then it became 20 people, 30 people. And it's the best of both worlds. बच्चा है पास में, and you're doing what you love.
Correct.
Right? I started sending emails, and it started only online accidentally. And then I realized that it is so much better because now today at a click of a button मुझे सब दिख जाता है client का. So I think probably it was meant to happen. After that, client 4, client 5, client 7, client 10, we made a website, and
Wow.
Accidentally it just touch
You
wood,
became an entrepreneur.
it's where
And
it is. Yes.
सो आपकी जब जर्नी स्टार्टअप की और बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन की हुई, आपने 1, 2, 3 लोगों के हेल्प करना शुरू किया, तो उस टाइम सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्थ और न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में आपके पास क्या प्रॉब्लम्स लोग लेके आते थे और आपने उसको कैसे एड्रेस किया?
तो वहां पे एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम
हुँ,
मेरे पास कोई फेयर आंसर नहीं होगा निशान, बिकॉज
हुँ,
मैं अवेलेबल ही थी फेसबुक ग्रुप्स पे,
हुँ,
जो ग्रुप्स के नाम थे मॉमी एंड किड्स,
हुँ,
फर्स्ट मम्मी क्लब,
हुँ,
मुंबई मॉम्स क्लब,
हुँ,
सिंगापुर इंडियन मम्मीज। तो मुझे बहुत सारे केसेस मिलते थे
हुँ,
फॉर वेट लॉस
हुँ,
आफ्टर प्रेगनेंसी,
हुँ,
एंड अगर ब्रेस्ट फीड कम हो रहा है तो क्या,
हुँ,
प्रेगनेंसी में थायराइड हो गया था तो
हुँ,
क्या,
हुँ,
प्रेगनेंसी में पता है डायबिटीज भी हो जाती है।
हुँ,
सो आई हैड ओनली दोज प्रॉब्लम्स,
हुँ,
बट अगर आप मुझे 2 साल के बाद पूछे, विच
हुँ,
इज अ वेरी फेयर
हुँ,
एस्टिमेट, मुझे बहुत सारे केसेस मिल रहे थे ऑफ थायराइड।
हुँ,
Okay, we started dealing with a lot of thyroid cases,
हुँ,
and because मेरी बैकग्राउंड लीलावती थी, तो
हुँ,
शायद मुझे क्लिनिकल केसेस ज्यादा मिलने लगे, अवेयरनेस होने लगी,
हुँ,
and then diabetes started coming in,
हुँ,
then cholesterol started coming in,
हुँ,
and today we have cancer, fatty liver, chronic kidney disease, we
हुँ,
have nephritis, we have glomerulonephritis, we have every possible disorder
वाह!
known to man that must be there in our
हुँ,
allergies. Like
ओके,
we have
हुँ।
amazing amount of clients doing very well with us.
तो अगर हमें थायराइड को ट्रीट करना है, तो हमारे को क्या ऐसे चेंजेस करने चाहिए अपने लाइफ़स्टाइल में, जिससे हम उसको ट्रीट कर सकते हैं?
बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा सा लंबा आंसर होगा तो
यस।
बोर नहीं होना। In medical science there are two things,
हुँ,
one is a disease
हुँ,
and one is a disorder.
राइट।
एक डिजीज जो होती है उसका क्योर है,
हुँ,
अगर उसका क्योर है तो वो फार्मा में है, वो
हुँ,
सर्जरी में है,
हुँ,
आई थिंक केयर इन टर्म्स ऑफ पोस्ट सर्जिकल इंटरवेंशन डाइट कर सकती है,
हुँ,
बट देन देयर इज अ डिजीज, डिजीज के लिए आपको एक डॉक्टर चाहिए।
करेक्ट।
अब आ गए हमारे डिसऑर्डर्स,
हुँ,
पीसीओएस,
हुँ,
एंडोमेट्रियोसिस, थायराइड,
हुँ,
डायबिटीज,
हुँ,
कोलेस्ट्रॉल,
हुँ,
ब्लड प्रेशर,
हुँ,
ये कभी आपको, यू कांट कॉल योर सेल्फ मेरी बीमारी खत्म हो गई,
हुँ,
इट्स अ डिसऑर्डर,
हुँ,
वो रहने ही वाला है आपके साथ, उसकी दवाई नहीं है,
हुँ,
उसका इलाज एक ही है और वो है मैनेजमेंट एंड मेंटेनेंस।
हुँ,
यू कैन रिवर्स इट, बट इफ यू आर केयरलेस वो वापस आ जाएगा।
राइट।
सो थायराइड रिवर्सल कैसे होगा?
हुँ,
बहुत सारे लोग ये बोलते हैं कि स्टॉप ईटिंग कॉलीफ्लावर एंड
हुँ,
कैबेज। आई थिंक अगर ये कोई सुनेगा तो दे विल स्टार्ट
हुँ,
थिंकिंग बट आई हैव अ डिग्री। ओके,
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ,
सो अगर गोभी
हुँ,
खाने से थायराइड होता
हुँ,
तो
हुँ,
निशांत,
ऑफ कोर्स,
पंजाब वुड हैव बीन द थायराइड कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया।
करेक्ट।
So that is something that needs to get out of the minds of
हुँ,
people. अगर सोया खाने से थायराइड होता, they
हुँ,
call
हुँ,
about, they talk about goitrogens, they talk about all that. तो Japan should have been the thyroid capital. Why are they so healthy?
करेक्ट।
Correct.
लिव टू बी 100।
Exactly. It has
हुँ,
the most aging population today, which the government doesn't know what to do about.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
So their problem is कुछ ज्यादा ही जी रहे हैं। हमारा प्रॉब्लम है कि हम 40 के बाद तो वी आर लाइक गोइंग क्रेजी, लाइक
या,
हार्ट अटैक्स एंड ऑल। व्हाई? गोभी नहीं खाएंगे थायराइड वाले, बट आप चिप पैकेट रख दो
करेक्ट,
तो कुछ नहीं होता थायराइड को।
करेक्ट।
you're doing preservatives, you're doing everything. So disorder management of any kind
हुँ,
is via a diet.
हुँ,
और वो डाइट कैसे डिटरमाइन होती है? वो होती है आपके वेट से,
हुँ,
वो डिटरमाइन होती है आपके बॉडी कॉम्पोजिशन से।
हुँ,
एक मशीन है, इट्स कॉल्ड द इन बॉडी मशीन,
या,
विच टेल्स यू द फैट, विच
करेक्ट,
टेल्स यू, बट चलो इट्स एक्सपेंसिव, वो नहीं है, एटलीस्ट स्केल पे खड़े हो जाओ,
करेक्ट,
एटलीस्ट अपनी शक्ल देखो, अपनी बॉडी को देखो, यू विल नो योर फैट, यू विल
करेक्ट,
नो योर प्लम्प, pinch this, you will know the amount of fat you have, you don't need to have these reports for that.
करेक्ट।
Seeing that,
हुँ,
we start developing a
हुँ,
diet. अब
हुँ,
आप पूछोगे कि कौन से 5 फूड्स है जिससे थायराइड खत्म हो जाएगा?
हुँ,
ऐसे कुछ नहीं है।
हुँ,
Food is like a human being.
हुँ,
Okay, a human being is never permanently bad.
हुँ,
Correct?
हुँ,
Human being is sometimes good in your
हुँ,
life.
हुँ,
Nishant, you can be, I can have a tiff with you, 6 महीना I'll hate you,
हुँ,
but after that I will start feeling nothing about you.
हुँ,
Then sometimes maybe I don't know, we become friendly again,
करेक्ट,
and then who knows, we become very close friends.
करेक्ट,
So food is also like that. You cannot determine a food as ये food इतना सुपर फूड है ना. आजकल की रील देखी है ना,
Correct.
आंवला को तो मतलब एक रील आज मैंने देखी, मैंने कहा ओहो मैं आंवला खा लूंगी 2 दिन में तो आई डोंट नो आई लिव टिल 200 years and I'm going to have the best skin and I'm going to have the best hair. ऐसे मार्केट किया उसने आंवला
Correct.
जूस. No guys, it's vitamin C, it's seasonal, have it, but there is a ton of other food to support you. So same way, if amla is eaten 30 a day, it's not going to work for you.
Correct.
So food mein what matters more is the amount,
Right.
the frequency. Nothing is bad, nothing is good. So if you come to balanced nutrition, we have pav bhaji in the diet, we
Right.
have pasta in the diet. In fact hum mile the tab maine pasta order kiya
Correct.
tha. So we have all of it, we just know how much to portion it.
Correct.
So thyroid के लिए yes you have to be under a dietitian. पहले अगर वजन है तो वो कम करो. मुझे थायराइड है इसलिए मेरा वजन कम नहीं हो रहा is wrong. It is just that something somewhere in your diet is not working properly.
Right.
And that's about it.
Excellent, excellent explanation, ख्याति. So, ख्याति, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो डाइट के अंदर होती है आज के टाइम में, हर कोई बात करता है कि हमें डायबिटीज हो गई, हमें शुगर हो गई, और लोगों को ये लगता है कि शुगर खाने की वजह से होती है. तो इज दैट ट्रू? इज शुगर और प्री डायबिटिक हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ शुगर कंजम्पशन, या कैसे होती है?
So India is known as the diabetic capital of the world,
Yeah.
right? I'll put some stats to this.
Yeah.
जब मैं पढ़ाई कर रही थी, HbA1c आजकल is very famous. We don't say fasting blood sugar and postprandial blood sugar करो. We'll say HbA1c लेके आओ. So HbA1c, anything below 7 was good for an Indian. जब मैं पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करने लगी, HbA1c anything below 6.5 was good. अब 20 साल हो गए ना, now HbA1c under 6 is considered good, otherwise you're a pre-diabetic.
Okay.
I want to sell my tablets.
Right.
I want to sell metformin.
Yeah.
So overnight, you know, in India 10 lakh people become diabetics because of that value by our drug corporations, by our institutions change. Okay, blood pressure over a period of time we were okay with 130 also as systolic. अब 120, now 125 भी होता है तो I think you should start your medicines.
Correct. Correct.
So the value game is big in India. It is easy. If I deal with a client abroad, मुझे reports भी नहीं access होता है. So like I then, if it's really something like a kidney disease, I say nahi. I will write to the hospital. I send my degree, and that's when they release.
Wow.
Yeah, and countries like Germany, Australia don't entertain me. But that's how it happens. Or then I'm really talking to the doctor very nicely, and probably out of a little respect, then they share it. अब यहाँ तो आप चले जाओ, मेरे prescription पे भी test हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
That's not how it.
50 रुपए 100 रुपए में हर
exactly.
कोई भी टेस्ट कर देगा और कुछ भी वैल्यू आ जाएगी.
Exactly. So I'm not sure whether, yes, we are an unhealthy population, yes, but I'm not sure whether we should consider all that as a benchmark कि India diabetic है कि नहीं. Also, diabetes के लिए there are a lot of misconceptions that are roaming around even today. सबसे पहले चाय में शक्कर बंद कर देते हैं. मुझे नहीं पता ये इसकी अचीवमेंट क्या है.
Correct.
So चाय में शक्कर बंद कर देना is like भाई तुमने लाइफ में से 1 चम्मच शक्कर हटाई है. And चाय को भी इतना हमने you know चाय bad है, चाय no. Why did we start saying that? Because really we wanted the 200 rupee coffee to enter the market. Okay, we wanted to be cool. We wanted to roam around with, you know, in India, forget South India, North India, Bollywood plays a big role. So if you go back and see the movies like Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, and if you see Kal Ho Na Ho, you will see them carrying Starbucks, you know, when they are abroad. Right. So there is a lot of aspirational value. Now I will hold Starbucks. Okay. So imagine something which was healthy. Masala tea is very healthy. Okay. Correct. Indian दूध वाली chai is also healthy. You get 65 calories even if you're adding sugar.
Correct.
As against a cappuccino, it's 180 calories.
Absolutely.
So then we say, मैंने तो चाय छोड़ दी, मैंने ये कर दिया. चलो वापस आते हैं diabetes पे. Diabetes is not a byproduct of adding too much sugar. It is because I think our director also said ना carbohydrate खाने से होता है. नहीं, वो refined carbohydrate खाने से होता है. हमारे दादा खाते थे बाजरा, जवार, मकई, very few in parts of Punjab and MP was gehu, niche was unpolished rice,
Correct.
and Maharashtra was nachni. So we all have been eating unpolished grains for centuries. Now polished rice,
Polished rice.
polished wheat, आटा और पतला करो,
Correct.
एंड देन अब हमको फाइबर के लिए 200 रुपए वाले ओट्स लेने हैं, लेकिन यार वो सस्ता वाला बाजरा ले लेते हो जाता.
Correct.
Like on the way, I ate a dish which is a Gujarati dish called bajra ka khicha. It's, you make quick cakes of it. It's high fiber. I'm going to be full till night now.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
Yeah.
As against, मैं जाती सैलड लेने, सैलड कैलोरीज बढ़ा देती, 600 rupees पे करती. Weight losses and diabetes has become a hot selling.
Correct.
And you know, not many people like it
Marketing.
when I tone it down कि यार कुछ नहीं है, ये
Right.
इतना simple है, ये कर लेते हैं, like oh.
Correct.
But yeah, it is that simple.
Correct.
So
Correct.
the entire nation becoming diabetic is because of pav, bread, pasta, pizza, let's say what else, biscuits that we eat, which is tremendous, and noodles.
Oh.
Everything is maida. So entirely आप कोई भी दिन देख लो, you will not go without maida any day.
Absolutely.
Okay? And you don't even realize that. Fiber नहीं जा रहा है, refined carbs जा रहा है, जब भी डाल रहे हो पेट में, your sugar is going to fluctuate.
Absolutely.
And then, you know, people have started wearing those
patches, continuous glucose
what
monitoring.
What a lovely way to market. मेरे दिमाग में ये सब नहीं आता ना, because ethically I want people. What will you do with that patch? पोहा खाने से जो रेस होना चाहिए, नहीं वो तो होगा ही.
Correct.
और हम सेंचुरी से खाते आ रहे हैं. अल्कोहल पीने के बाद क्यों लगाना है, पता ही है होने ही वाला है. So why make it so fancy? And you know, everybody says वो there's one big saying now कि फ्रिज में निकाला हुआ राइस खाओ तो रेजिस्टेंट स्टार्च आता है, तो तुम दबा के राइस खाते हो. Has it been told that this helps your diabetes? नहीं, it होता है, resistant starch आ गया, but is it lower in calories?
No.
Is it going to give you any benefit on your weight? No. एक one-sided thing देखनी है हमें. Okay. Absolutely. So you have to have a carbohydrate-rich diet. It should be 60% carbs because we cannot tolerate protein over and above 30%. जिंदगी में 15-18% के ऊपर नहीं खाई है. हाँ, once you become an athlete like you, or once somebody is really with their muscle goals, तब जाके you can try 40% of your composition as protein. अब तो carbs खाओ. India has been a carbs eating nation. So
absolutely.
Dramatization again.
That brings me to the next question, which is जो working professional होते हैं और startups में लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं, यूजुअली बहुत ज्यादा सिटिंग होती है, चलना फिरना थोड़ा कम होता है, और एक कहीं ना कहीं एक्सक्यूज भी होता है कि टाइम नहीं मिल रहा वर्कआउट करने के लिए, ट्रैवल में टाइम जा रहा है. तो आप व्हाट वुड बी योर एडवाइस टू दीस वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स कि हाउ कैन दे गेट स्टार्टेड ऑन देयर फिटनेस जर्नी थ्रू न्यूट्रिशन एंड बिल्ड अ सस्टेनेबल, हेल्दी एंड बैलेंस्ड लाइफ?
Like see, just because I'm a nutritionist doesn't mean I'm always correct. Doesn't mean जो मैंने करा है वो अच्छा है और लोगों को फॉलो करना चाहिए. But
let's assume है.
While losing weight, one thing I didn't do, I think I was telling you that day, right? One thing I didn't do was any exercise. I just hated it so much that I just didn't want to do it. But did I lose weight despite that? Yes. Did I lose out on muscle mass? No, I didn't, because I think मैंने इतनी स्टडी और पढ़ाई करी थी with respect to not letting my muscle mass get wasted. I think I survived. But अब after 40, I realized, and I told you also, right? Gym में तालियां बजती है when I'm going to the gym. कि oh, and then when I'm lifting 2 kg, मैं से शर्म के मारे ना, I just go to the corner, do my you know, biceps or whatever you call it, and I keep it. So I feel yes, वो गलती मैंने करी. We have to try and incorporate getting to at least, I know 10,000 steps is maha goal, but I have never believed in maha goals. I myself, देखो मोटी थी, मोटी means lazy थी, खाना अच्छा लगता था, movement was a headache, and that is I think what I understand about a fat person. Keep a goal. अगर अभी आप 1,000 steps पे कर रहे हो, everybody I think has an iPhone. Let's take it step by step. Let's take it 3,000. Let's take, and you know यार ये हर आधे घंटे के बाद उठ के चलना. Sometimes I don't realize I am on my desk 4 hours, कोई interesting बन रहा है, I'm in the middle of something. I realize much later कि यार उठ के मुझे चलना था. But मैंने एक रूल करा है, अब अगर मेरे 8000 स्टेप्स नहीं हुए, मैं डिनर नहीं खाऊंगी.
Right.
Easy,
Yeah.
correct? So have your own goals, and they have to start easy with steps only. उसके बाद I think the first thing you have to do is address the diet. अगर डाइट ही गलत है,
Correct.
तो स्टेप्स कर लो, उछल कूद
Correct.
कर लो, जिम चले जाओ, कुछ नहीं होना है.
Correct.
90% of the times I tell my clients पहले एक चीज करो. Let's start with correcting the diet. और डाइट भी प्रैक्टिकल होनी चाहिए. We cannot tell somebody 9 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट करो, 1 बजे खाना खाओ. Come on, tomorrow you have a meeting.
Yeah.
You'll fire me as your dietitian. कि मैं बॉस को क्या बोलूं?
Correct.
You know, I can't tell my boss, sorry, मेरी dietitian ने बोला 1 बजे खाना खाना है. So practically, we don't say see the clock, we say see your hunger. जब भूख लगी है तब खाओ. My hunger for lunch is 3:34. Okay, my hunger for dinner is 10:30, 11. I'm not ideal, but then I am a late sleeper and a late riser. It works for me.
Correct.
So अपनी चीज पहले समझो, किसी और का कॉपी मत करो. Sometimes you know you make such unreal rules for yourself. मैं 6 बजे उठ के पहले मैं walk. It happens for 3 days. I've seen people failing.
Correct.
Protect yourself from
Yeah.
failing. Take easy steps is what I would say.
Okay. So you were saying कि अगर कोई corporate और startup वाले employee को आज शुरू करना है, तो step 1 is कि एक easy achievable goal set करेंगे.
Yes.
Number 1,
Yes.
which could be not 10,000 steps या maybe 6,000 8,000 steps से
Yes.
शुरू करेंगे. Step 2 is कि अगर आप personalized nutrition पे ध्यान दीजिए, आप अपने किसी dietitian nutritionist से discuss करके
Yes.
आप अपना खुद का एक लाइफस्टाइल के हिसाब से न्यूट्रिशन सेट कीजिए. थर्ड इज पर्सनलाइज कीजिए उसको. इट शुड नॉट इंटरफेयर इन योर रेगुलर वर्क रूटीन. फोर्थ इज कि आप ये सारी छोटे छोटे गोल्स को अचीव करते जाएंगे एंड देन यू कैन कीप सेटिंग बिगर गोल्स फॉर योरसेल्फ. दैट्स एक्सीलेंट. आई थिंक दैट इज वेरी डूएबल. 2025 इज कमिंग. आई थिंक काफी सारे लोग रेजोल्यूशंस बनाने वाले हैं और फिर फेल भी हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि आप रेजोल्यूशंस में इतना डिफिकल्ट चीजें, जैसे आपने बताया, लोग बना लेते हैं कि उसके बाद वो करना ही इम्पॉसिबल हो जाता है.
एंड मैं खुद फेल हुई थी यार.
करेक्ट.
सो आई नो वेयर आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम. आई नो कि ये करना ही पॉसिबल नहीं है. यू आर सिटिंग एट 90 किलोस 100 किलोस. जिंदगी में कभी एक्सरसाइज नहीं करी, जिंदगी में कभी ये सोचा नहीं नाश्ते में क्या खा रहे हैं. सडनली नाउ एवरीथिंग हैज बिकम एग्जिस्टेंस का सवाल. दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल.
ओके. तो ख्याति, लेट्स डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस सेम इशू अराउंड कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड स्टार्टअप एम्प्लॉइज. तो काफी सारे लोग सोशल ऑब्लिगेशन में कभी कभी स्मोकिंग और ड्रिंकिंग भी करते हैं. फ्राइडेज को टीम कैचअप होता है तो उसमें आपको ड्रिंक भी करना होता है. व्हाट इज योर स्टैंड ऑन स्मोकिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग? इज इट गुड, इज इट बैड, एंड हाउ कैन इट बी कर्ब्ड?
Correct. Alcohol and smoke both are extremely bad. They are going to hit your fitness goals from, let's say, 10 to 2 in 1 week if you go mess up your alcohol, if you mess up your smoke. Having said that, as I said again, I was somebody who was fat. I was somebody who still enjoys a glass of wine or a mojito.
Sure.
Now if see, I'm at a stage where ना मैं ये सालों से करती आ रही हूँ. So for me it's very easy. For a beginner, अगर आप 3 ग्लास वाइन एक सोशल डू में करते हो, अब नेक्स्ट टाइम जब जा रहे हो ना, ट्राई सेटलिंग एट 2.
Okay.
Try that for 1 month. Then see if you can reduce it to 1.
Okay.
And see how you feel about it. Believe me, you will feel great. Because you have won the battle of reducing that 1 glass.
Correct.
And that, the overload of alcohol in your liver, your liver is thanking you.
Correct.
ओके, ये जो बोलते हैं ना cortisol and this and that, यार कुछ ऐसा करो लाइफ में जो छोटी सी भी pride and satisfaction ले आए.
Correct.
Like if I today climb 3 floors and I am not panting, I feel on top of the world.
Right.
Because मैंने जिंदगी में कभी अचीवमेंट नहीं किया.
Yeah.
So तब you won't feel stressed. Cortisol भी चला जाएगा. There are small ways of beating stress, which I feel are these.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
Now coming to my trick. Mojito.
Okay.
Now what I do is, if like today you offered me, I have done my quota of the week. I am band. So tonight, if I'm going to a party, what I'm going to do is, I will pretend that I'm having a mojito. ठीक है?
Yeah.
But ना उसके अंदर अल्कोहल नहीं होगा. और वो ग्लास जो भी मुझे मिलेगा, वो देखेगा हाँ, tick box is correct. ये पी रही है. Okay. So that is when you don't want to drink.
Right.
So that you are not becoming a topic of conversation. ये पी नहीं रही है, पी नहीं रहा है, पी नहीं रही है. Fine, I'm holding that in my hand. When I wanted to drink, आई यूज्ड टू मेक फ्रेंड्स विद अ बारटेंडर. मैं पहले बोलती थी 60 नहीं 30. आई रिड्यूस 30 ml अल्कोहल. आई फेल्ट ग्रेट. अब मैं कहती हूँ एक काम कर 15-15 कर ताकि मैं 2 पी सकूं. सो आई एम हैप्पी मेंटली that I have had 2 drinks.
Correct.
So play around with your mind.
Correct.
Play around with your head. Don't let this 60 ml get into your head. Fun 15 ml में भी आ ही जाता है.
Correct. Oh,
And
that's
smoking, worst.
Yeah.
The worst thing you can do. You're
Hmm.
already living in India, यार. Smoke कर ही रहे हो.
हाँ.
अब क्या करना है उससे?
Correct.
So that is a big no. But if you still do it, use the same principle. From 10, just try 9 first.
Okay.
10 से मैं stop कर रहा हूँ, कभी नहीं होने वाला है.
Correct.
10 से 5 भी नहीं होगा.
Right.
Give yourself 2 months, yeah, and then take it easy.
Take it easy. आज के टाइम में अगर आपको हेल्थ और फिटनेस में स्टार्टअप करना होगा, तो what are some of the problems that you will tackle first? And if someone is watching us today, तो अगर उसको हेल्थ फिटनेस का स्टार्टअप करना है, तो क्या चीज करनी चाहिए? What are the first few things that that person should be looking at?
So, what worked, I think, for me that time was, आई नो हर एक स्टार्टअप आज एक लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान बनाती है, 5 year प्रोजेक्शंस करती है. आई थिंक सबसे ज्यादा वाज द पैशन एंड द एथिक्स. अगर वो पैशन नहीं है, अगर वो, मैं दिन रात न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में बात कर सकती हूँ. मैं रात को क्लाइंट के कॉल्स लेती हूँ. मैं किसी की प्रॉब्लम कभी भी सॉल्व कर सकती हूँ विद अ स्माइल ऑन माई फेस. वो बहुत जरूरी है. फर्स्ट. सेकेंड, व्हाट वर्कड इज, आई थिंक, not having too many plans, Nishan. Let's make it simple. You know, इतना fancy बना के कुछ कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है. See, today startups are shutting day after day. अब मुझे नहीं पता BN को हम startup बोलेंगे या नहीं, because we are already in the 10th year of our operations.
Right.
And touchwood, हमने किसी से funding नहीं ली है. So I would say कि एक startup में सबसे पहले 2 साल अपनी मेहनत, अपना पैसा और अपना दिमाग लगाओ. Then try and go confidently to ask for money for genuine ethical reasons. अगर तब भी जब अगर पैसा नहीं है आपके पास, टचवुड बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन के पास हमेशा फंड्स थे. लॉकडाउन में भी टाइम पे सैलरीज गई थी, टाइम पे इंसेंटिव्स गए थे, टाइम पे चीजें हो रही थी. आई थिंक एथिकली इफ यू आर really sorted, then things are fine. What worked more than anything else was also, मैंने शुरू से ही बहुत strict processes रखे थे. So the client was always asked के diet I will do whatever you tell me, but ये दिन पे मुझे update चाहिए तो चाहिए. ये दिन पे आप regularly update करो. उनके लिए आसान की वो चीज. मुझे adherence भी बहुत चाहिए थी, but आज सब बाहर जाते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग मी. व्हेन आई वाज लूजिंग वेट, मुझे जाना था यार बाहर, मुझे खाना खाना था. पति के साथ जा रहे हो, दोस्तों के साथ जा रहे हो, हाउ आर यू नॉट गोइंग टू ईट? करेक्ट. वेडिंग में क्या करोगे? तो मैंने ना पूरा डॉक्यूमेंटेशन किया मेरी पूरी वेट लॉस जर्नी के टाइम पे कि ओके मैंने पंजाबी में ये खाया था, मेरा वेट बढ़ गया था. एंड दैट इज हाउ आज बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन की रेस्टोरेंट गाइड में 114 क्यूजीन्स है. तो अगर कोई टेक्स मैक्स खा रहा है, मंगोलियन खा रहा है, कोई Lebanese खा रहा है, you can just open. These are my experiences. So I think documenting helped a lot. System processes helped a lot. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं work life balance. I am not a believer of that. I know today's generation will not like what I'm saying, but work life balance कभी होता नहीं है. There are times जब आप अपने करियर में या अपने खुद के स्टार्टअप पे बहुत आवर्स लगा दोगे. So I don't see work life balance happening. It has to be a mental balance more than घड़ी वाला balance. मैंने 7 बजे काम बंद किया, नहीं यार आप 9 बजे भी बंद करो. How you feel the next day is important. Correct. So it is a mental balance in your brain that is more important. And one thing I was not very good at is keeping calm as a young girl. I mean, Trisha जब पैदा हुई थी, I was 26. So I started this when I was 27, 28. I was pretty young myself. तो तब मुझे नहीं समझता था कि टीम मैनेजमेंट में कभी कभी you have to have patience. Okay. I was pretty aggressive in getting things done the way I wanted, but मेरे ये रीजन था कि किसी ने आपको ट्रस्ट किया यार, तुम किसी की हेल्थ के साथ नहीं खेल सकते. करेक्ट. सो टुडे माय सीनियर्स आर वेरी अप्रिशिएटिव कि मैम आपने ऐसे किया तो हम आज यहाँ हैं, बट या आई कुड हैव बीन अ लिटिल calmer. Absolutely, absolutely. This brings me to the next segment. बच्चों के बारे में बात करते हैं. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि बच्चे आर द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ देयर पेरेंट्स, एंड
स्लोली ग्रेजुअली अगर पेरेंट्स का ओवरऑल वेट बढ़ता जा रहा है तो बच्चों का भी बढ़ता जा रहा है, बिकॉज बच्चे प्रोबेबली पेरेंट्स को एम्यूलेट करते हैं, राइट? अगर आप पैकेज्ड फूड खा रहे हो, अगर आप बाहर जाके बाकी
yes
सब चीजें खा रहे हो, तो बच्चे भी वही कर रहे हैं। स्कूल्स में भी कोई सेम बेटर चीज नहीं हो पा रही है।
yes
But at Balanced Nutrition, you guys have started collaborating with one of the largest school chains in
yes
the country.
yes
Tell us about that, and tell us about your collaboration with one of the food
yes
service providers for this
yes
chain.
so Balanced Nutrition has a program called Poshan for Kids. We
Okay.
have many kids on the programs but not as much as जितना मुझे अच्छा लगता
Hmm.
या न्यूट्रिशन अगर मैं कोई वीडियो भी बना लूं
Hmm.
बच्चों वाला, it is not getting as much interest
Hmm.
as the other videos do.
Hmm.
So somewhere I feel that mothers think बच्चा क्या सुनने वाला है,
Hmm.
बेचारा बच्चा है उसको खाने दो, ये खाने की उम्र है.
Hmm.
But I had a child. राइट फ्रॉम उसका जो वीनिंग होता है, मैंने
Yeah.
सेरेलैक नहीं दिया, मैंने उसे दोज आर्टिफिशियली कुछ नहीं खिलाया, मैं खुद बनाती थी सेरेलैक, मैं खुद नाचनी को स्प्राउट करती थी. एंड टुडे शी इज टॉलर देन बोथ मी एंड माय हस्बैंड. शी प्लेज बैडमिंटन स्टेट लेवल.
Wow.
शी डज नॉट गो क्रेजी अबाउट डाइट वर्कआउट, सब हेल्दी खाती है. शी इज अ वेरी रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल पर्सन एंड शी फ्लॉन्ट्स हर फ्लैट स्टमक विच इज एफर्टलेस, एंड मीठा भी खाती है. तो वो पहले से ही उसे सिखाया गया है, पहले से ही शी इज नॉट बीन अ केचअप बेबी. और एक बार शी हैड गॉट वेरी एडिक्टेड टू मिल्क चॉकलेट बोर्नवीटा. इट वाज डिफिकल्ट. तब जाके आई रियलाइज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू प्ले दिस गेम विद माय चाइल्ड. सर्टेन थिंग्स आर अ नो मींस नो. नाउ आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर इयर्स कि स्कूल के साथ कुछ करे या कोई. आई वांटेड टू वाइडन चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशन एज अ होराइजन. आप इंश्योरेंस ले लो बच्चे की, आप उसका एडमिशन देख लो, कोई ये सिखा रहा है खाना कौन खिलाएगा. You see a 3-year-old, okay, mama will sit with a stick. मम्मा पोर्शंस योर फूड, मम्मा डालेगी 3 रोटी 2 रोटी, ये इतना खा के ही उठना है, नहीं तो मारूंगी. कम ऑन. अगर उसे एक रोटी खानी है तो उसे कब पता चलेगा मुझे कितनी भूख लगी है. Are we training the child to understand hunger? You fed that child and then सबसे बड़ा केस तो यही है, बहुत पतला था ये, पता नहीं 10th के बाद क्यों इतना मोटा हो गया.
Correct.
अरे बिकॉज आपने सिखाया ही नहीं. यू डिडंट लीव. हाँ, व्हाट आई डू इज, देख बच्चा, सैलेड इज कंपलसरी, ये कंपलसरी है, अब बाकी तू देख ले. She knows how to portion her food very well at 15 years old. Probably that is one of the biggest reasons she is effortlessly fit. ये कौन सिखाएगा? So then I got a chance. We have DPS, Delhi Public School, who is tied up with Balanced Nutrition. उनकी कैंटीन में उनको सिर्फ हेल्दी खाना देना है.
Wow.
So they want only healthy breakfast items. They want no sugar. They want something that is not processed, not packaged. And I am developing the menu for them.
Excellent.
Luckily, they are also thinking that हफ्ते में एक कोर्स 1 घंटे का न्यूट्रिशन का होना चाहिए.
Oh wow. That
So
is
they
incredible.
are developing a nutrition curriculum. We are providing all the backing they need as a nutritionist to evaluate, to value, and to give any advice they want.
Oh wow, this sounds incredible. I think सारी की सारी लाइफ हम सबकी रोटी कपड़ा मकान में निकल जाती है, और बहुत देर बाद पता चलता है जब 25-30 की हो जाते हो कि ना आपने अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखा, ना न्यूट्रिशन का ध्यान रखा, और जिसकी वजह से अच्छी हैबिट्स नहीं बन पाती हैं.
Yes.
तो इट इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू स्टार्ट दैट at an early age so that you learn the relationship with the food.
Yeah.
And I think that becomes the basis for your intellectual capability also. And if you have to become maybe a athlete or a sports star, that has to become the basis of all of this. This is actually quite common in public schools or convent schools abroad, but India में इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता है.
Yeah, yeah.
Even in फौज we know that I hail from a फौजी background, and फौज में सारी चीजें बहुत ही ज्यादा बैलेंस्ड होती हैं. इतनी ज्यादा मे बी हाई फाई चीजें नहीं होती होंगी,
Correct.
बट खाना हमेशा फुल ऑफ प्रोटीन, फुल ऑफ फैट एंड फुल ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स विद फाइबर इज ऑलवेज देयर, which is always missing in schools. So I hope this initiative is
आपने
taken
क्या
up.
बोला? रोटी कपड़ा मकान. रोटी is first.
Correct.
Why are we running behind बच्चे के मकान, बच्चे का कपड़ा, बच्चे का एजुकेशन? बच्चे को खाना कौन सिखाएगा?
Correct. Absolutely.
Yes.
Wow.
And when I see, I hope any mothers who are my daughter's friends don't watch, but even now they are behind their child. 15 साल का बच्चा हो गया, छोड़ दो उसे. Let the child discover. I have a client 25 years old,
Hmm.
25, okay, काम कर रहा है,
Hmm.
मम्मी आती है
Wow.
ऐप पे, मम्मी कोऑर्डिनेट करती है. आई कॉल्ड, आई सेड मदर बैक आउट. आई रियलाइज बिकॉज हम चेक करते हैं डाइट, सो आई सेड ये रिप्लाईज तो थोड़े दे डोंट लुक लाइक अ कॉर्पोरेट गाइज रिप्लाईज. आई कॉल्ड द डाइटिशियन, अरे मैम उनकी मम्मा देखती है. आई कॉल्ड बोथ ऑफ देम. आई सेड लेट्स शेड्यूल अ कॉल. आई सेड ये कभी नहीं सीखेगा, you have to back off. I'm sure now she really is appreciating
Yeah.
because in a month he's lost 8 kilos.
Wow.
Obese.
Right.
So, but now I'm sure she is. Tab she would have hated me. But yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that brings me to another interesting question. To anyone who's watching us today, आजकल सुपर फूड्स की बहुत बात होती है. Are there any specific 5-6 Indian things or ready to eat kind of things which we can replace from the processed snacks or the dalda based snacks with the Indian based superfoods?
Done. What I would say is that we are one of the most luckiest countries in the world where you get seasonal produce.
Right.
You don't depend. I know frozen food is very healthy. I also like frozen food. You can actually get the nutrition intact if you're doing it properly. But na packaged foods pe dependency and it's sasta. Now imagine agar aap ek for winter, instead of going to the doctor, instead of taking heavy antibiotics, what if you just start with kachi haldi that you're getting, fresh adrak aa rahi hai, okay, and amla aa raha hai, one shot of it with moringa leaves. Moringa powder 400 रुपए का आता है. moringa leaves वो drumstick वाली लीव है, 2 झाड़ आपकी कॉम्प्लेक्स में ही होंगे.
Right.
So 25 रुपए की इतनी आती है.
Correct.
Imagine making an entire glass of this.
Correct.
And the whole family having one third, one third, one third.
Wow.
So this is the desi magic of our diet.
Right.
Now if you ask me for a snack, if I give boring desi snacks, कोई नहीं चाहेगा, कोई नहीं आएगा, कोई नहीं खाएगा.
Right.
So the most amazing desi snack that I think is come in India ever is kurmura.
Kurmura.
It is brilliant.
What is that?
100 kurmura, bhelpuri में जो होता है, puff rice.
Right, right.
Correct. If you want me to give you 100 grams kurmura, you know the volume of it?
Yeah, it will be like
Right?
huge. Yeah.
Calories 100.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's volume. So what I say is, let's crunch. Snack is crunchy.
Correct.
Take kurmura. Put your sprouts.
Right.
My compulsion is sprouts, roasted chana, kakdi, tomato, and pyaz. Then is your call. You want to put peanuts? Put. You want to put little aloo? Put. Chutney, your choice.
Right.
So half me, half you. Everybody enjoys that.
Yeah.
Now in winter, I will ask them to put one bowl of the pulse they have cooked at home. So आज अगर मूंग बना है, they will put the moong.
Right.
And they will heat it and warm it. Okay, people might feel a little, ये कैसे taste होता है? No. But those who've had it, it's amazing.
Amazing. Yeah. Such a easy thing to do, right? But people just make it so complicated. In fact, what I have done is कि मैंने अपने ऑफिस के टेबल पे 2 छोटे-छोटे boxes रखे हुए हैं, which is filled with nuts and seeds of 5-6 different types, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, all of that, and pumpkin seeds put together. And I've also added बादाम, काजू, किशमिश सब मिक्स करके, तो जब भी मंच करने का मन करता है, थोड़ा सा खाओ, you have some water and you feel like full and probably a healthy option. Is that a good option to do or not?
So I always tell all our clients, don't go nuts about nuts. Okay. Flax seeds, pumpkin seeds. आजकल Instagram पे भी ना सब recipes उसी की बन रही है.
Right.
Did you know flax seeds is 42% fat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can afford to have it. You'll train and you'll burn it off. But a regular person who's working 9 hours, who's sitting 9 hours actually, and who's sitting, agar train mein jagah mili to another 2 hours to reach home.
Right.
Who at home will only sit and do nothing. For them or for somebody who's losing weight, etc., nuts is a big no-no.
Okay.
So for us, nuts are supposed to be used as they are called, nuts, seeds. So Ayurveda में भी आप देखो, the proportion of nuts was always a garnish in the traditional Indian dishes, and that also sliced and slivered. Badam ka halwa was something that the Mughals got. They were from where?
The colder parts of the desert parts of the world.
Exactly. And that time, unfortunately, they didn't have cheese and they didn't have feta and they didn't have olive oils. So their calorie intake was required to be that. But
Hmm.
whereas you come to, even if you go towards South India, you see
Hmm.
paisam.
Correct.
So nuts are supposed to be had as a sprinkling only.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Okay.
बट हम इंस्टाग्राम देख देख के तो भाई हमारी वो ब्रेकफास्ट पार्फे में डिजाइन लगा रहे हैं,
Hmm.
इतना पंपकिन सीड्स इतना, एंड
Correct.
देन यू नो, oh I'm not losing weight,
Yeah.
oh my blood pressure and my blood cholesterol is still the
Hmm.
same.
Hmm.
So no, nuts are not that great.
Okay. Not
Yeah.
in that
Yes.
quantity, but maybe in
Yes.
moderation it should be
Yes.
fine.
But again, how much should be determined by your blood report, your weight, your age, all
And
of
your
that.
fitness goals.
And your fitness goals.
Excellent.
Yes.
All right. So there's also another new pandemic which is across the country, which is India is a protein deficient society because our primary source of energy is carbs.
Yes.
But is that true? How important is protein in particular diet, and vegetarian लोगों को क्या क्या खा सकते हैं जिसकी
Yes.
वजह से प्रोटीन उनको complete मिल जाए? And is there any
Yes.
number that a person should be targeting?
Yes. In fact, again, this is not going to be an answer many people will like. But we have been, Nishant, a population that has never had enough protein. ठीक है ना? If you see us with our counterparts, now of course our kids are taller, fitter, healthier. But if you see one generation back, a European is always the taller guy,
Correct.
the more fitter guy.
Yeah.
We were always a little, see, अंग्रेजों ने rule क्यों किया? We were also shorter. We were also frailer.
Yeah.
It's the tropics. Okay.
Correct.
They do this to us. We were a population that was supposed to be on a complex carbs diet. And because of poverty, protein was always plant protein जो आती थी. जो आजकल आपके Arnold, what is the German surname?
Schwarzenegger.
Blah, blah. Yes. So he's doing it. Virat Kohli is following it. They
Correct.
are all going vegan in the name of चलो animal protein नहीं खानी है. I see them completely fit.
Yeah.
So protein का बवाल is to also increase the sales of your powders, is to increase the advent of tofu. But I'm happy. Okay, we should get more protein. But ये जो overnight यार
Correct.
20 ग्राम प्रोटीन है, जिंदगी भर खा रहे हो. Now suddenly you're giving 50 grams protein. I'm a vegetarian. I told you, right?
Right.
I tried a bit of whey. I took 2 days to get off the burping.
Right.
It was a sudden influx of 10 grams. So then I had to start even lesser. So I'm doing 5 grams with chas, which is pathetic, but I'm getting there. Right? Then now I'm at chalo 10 grams at a time. I will not feel uneasy. तो वो see protein addition का तरीका भी होना चाहिए. Correct? And paneer is not a great source of protein for somebody who wants to lose weight. It's too much fat. हम पनीर टिक्का ऑर्डर करते हैं, पता है?
Yeah.
Thinking it's healthy, I'm doing
Correct.
protein and this and that. Guys, that one portion of paneer tikka with those 6 pieces is 1,000 calories.
Wow. 1,000 calories?
1,000 calories is paneer tikka.
My
And
God.
if you're going to a place like, you know, which is really famous, like a Peshawari, they actually pour their hearts into the marination and तो तुमको तो 1200 कैलोरी मिल जाएगी.
My God. That is
मलाई पनीर, मुल्तानी पनीर and all. So then you're feeling great about yourself. मैंने सिर्फ पनीर टिक्का खाया. आज मैंने डिनर देखो कितना अच्छा किया, but no, you messed it up.
And this is just the starter. उसके बाद आप मेन कोर्स ऑर्डर करते हो और कितनी सारी चीजें. I think any outing is around 2,000 calories, if not less, if not more.
Yeah, you have to be wise and mindful. And the other biggest misconception is also salads. Protein से थोड़े हट गया, but let me finish it. मेरे दिमाग में आया. You are taking a salad, thinking you're saving a ton of calories. But every salad has a dressing. So I'll give you an example of one of my clients. He was so happy. उसने मुझे फोटो भेजा. I've done Greek salad. As you said, मैंने feta निकाल दिया. Cool, you remove feta because वो protein नहीं है. It's fat. Then I said, can you turn the, you know, the salad? It was like a box. I said, turn कर, मुझे nutrition value पढ़ने दे. It had about 24 grams of dressing. And in that, 18, no, it was a clear dressing. Now, brain is trained कि mayo based dressing नहीं खानी है, you know, creamy dressing नहीं खानी है. ये तो पानी जैसी थी ना, vinaigrette. So that had about 18 grams of oil. यार 18 grams, वो तो मतलब पूरे दिन में weight loss diet में 18 grams oil ना हो. And then I generally we write, I called because I didn't want him to feel, oh my God, you know, you feel so bad.
Correct.
And then salad khaya, but that salad was about 600 calories. So you remember all these chotu things before you want to spend your money and you want to, you know, do that. Now comes to veg protein sources. Sattu is great. जो भी बोल रहा है ना यार कि सत्तू मत लो, ये लो, Yeah, sattu is great because
Hmm.
it's sundar, sasta, tikau. It has
Correct.
been in Indian genetic, it has merged with our genetics because
Correct.
हमने खाया है. Tofu generally people don't like. A, it starts with taste. B, it starts with the fact that it is a new food product entering. सोया का digestion अभी तक इंडियन सिस्टम में इतना नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं हुआ.
बट easier way is tofu भुर्जी. घर में किसी को पता नहीं चलता मैंने टोफू भुर्जी बना दी है.
Right.
Then धीरे धीरे I will start पालक पनीर को पालक टोफू.
Right.
Because it has veg protein, it is better protein and
Hmm.
saving on all the unnecessary fat.
Hmm.
I am in love with pulses. जो भी कोई बोले pulses are carbohydrates.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it has protein.
Correct.
So combination cereal
Yeah.
pulse, dal chawal, traditionally खाते आ रहे हैं. That
Hmm.
is our protein.
Right.
That is the way we will digest it. We
Correct.
will live. You start eating grilled chicken, see how you feel.
Absolutely.
You will lose weight.
Hmm.
बहुत बढ़िया. 2 महीना and you will give up.
Okay. तो ऐसा बोलते हैं कि वेजिटेरियन के लिए ज्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं होती और अगर जो पल्सेस खाते हो तो उसको क्लास 2 प्रोटीन बोलते हैं या सेकंड क्लास प्रोटीन बोलते हैं. इज
Yes.
दैट ट्रू?
Yes, it is very true. हमको जब न्यूट्रिशन पढ़ाते हैं
Hmm.
ये हमारी लाइन है.
Hmm.
एंड सी अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट a doctor is not going to tell you ना उसने aorta निकाला bypass किया stitched you up by. Is
Correct.
he going to tell you what he did with your coronary artery,
Hmm.
what he did with your aorta,
Hmm.
what did he do inside? No, that's a scientist's job.
Hmm.
So class 1, class 2, class 3 is a job of a nutritionist.
Correct.
But how to make a class 2
Hmm.
into a class 1
One.
is something I should be teaching my clients or
Right.
anybody who's listening.
Right.
Dahi chawal, class 1 protein.
Hmm.
Okay. Dal chawal, 3 parts of
Hmm.
cereal, 1 part of pulse. Combine it,
Hmm.
class 1.
Right.
Which we are eating since generations.
Hmm.
South में चलना है, idli sambar,
Hmm. Right.
cereal pulse,
Correct.
class 1. We've always been doing that. Our only problem is
Hmm.
we are trying and tweaking the
Hmm.
traditional Indian khana,
Hmm.
which is okay, kar lo. So as I say, till afternoon everybody is Indian. Roti, sabzi, dal, chawal.
Hmm.
रात में ना फिर पास्ता खाना है,
Yeah.
पिज्जा खाना है,
Correct.
sushi खानी है. Correct? So what I do is I tell them that the ghee in the roti,
Hmm.
either it's there
Hmm.
and रात में it's fat free,
Hmm.
or skip the ghee and I'll allow you a little bit of cheese on your pizza.
Hmm.
Balancing of
Correct.
fat kar lo. You are in 2025. You're going to be eating global khana.
Right.
So I cannot expect just desi, but
Right. Absolutely. Absolutely.
yes.
All right, Khyati, we have reached to the end of our episode. And before we call it shorts, एक last message. Supposing this podcast is being watched or there is a billboard being watched by 1 billion people, what message would you like to leave to that 1 billion people who might be reading around nutrition, health, or fitness?
If you think buying sugar-free, healthy foods is going to give you good health, you're mistaken. Healthy food is lying in your kitchen. You just need to tap it and start cooking it.
Wow. On that note, thank you so much, Khyati. It has been a pleasure to speak with you. I'm sure बहुत सारे लोगों के myths dispose हुए होंगे.
Yeah.
We will put all your social media connects in the show notes so
हाँ.
that they can reach out to you.
Yes.
Thanks
Yes.
once again for doing
Anytime.
this.